Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can empty the Dream X vacuum, and there we have the X40 Ultra model. So basically we can empty the appliance for two ways. The first way it's empty the device container and empty the dust bag inside. So if you want to empty the dust bag, you have to open this cover, just pull it from the bottom side, and as you can see there we have our bag. Just remove it, pull it to your side, and now you can just remove it manually or use the other vacuum to empty this dust bag, then put it in the place like before. Okay, I'm gonna do it later, and I'm gonna show you how you can empty the vacuum container. We have to remove it from the dock station, then open the cover, and as you can see that we have the container. Just remove it. Okay, stop buddy. Okay, as you can see that we have the container of the appliance. You can also just empty it manually, then put it back like before, and close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.